What is up, you guys? Welcome to Peaceful Gardens with me and Roman. Look, we are going to talk to y'all about these baby chicks because I know y'all got a bunch of them. Okay? So we're going to get into that. Boo, how your day going?
It's going. It's a morning. We had an eventful morning this morning. But overall, it's continuing. It's going good. I've had, 1 cup of coffee. Now
Yeah.
I'm on my energy drink, which is like a pre-mixed water thing. It does have caffeine in it, 120 milligrams, so I should be right at 180 by the end of the day.
You know what? You said exactly what I needed to say.
What?
Y'all, temperatures are getting on up there. It's getting hot. You need to make sure your girls are getting their electrolytes, their probiotics.
Rude.
They don't care.
They don't.
They don't care. But she want y'all to know, get your goddamn probiotics and all your things that your babies are going to need for this hot
Just
summer.
in case they poo on that, let me at least cover
Molly.
it. There we go. All right.
Well,
Now
y'all get it.
Now we're poo safe.
Hydro-hen, Mana Pro. Look, speaking of weather, my chickens are so ratchet. They don't care.
And we thought this was a great idea.
Roman did.
The
I didn't. The chicken mama didn't say do it. I said, you know what? My teenagers are out here. That's good enough. Roman goes,
Let
you
them
should
all
let your
out.
big girls out.
Let them all out.
No.
So the little ones are over here closer to the camera, and which are our teenagers, and then this is our
These are
mature
adults.
ladies. Our laying hens are right here.
Yeah, our bullies.
Yeah, the bullies. They got
My
like a
pit
little.
bulls.
They got like a little fence, separating them to help, but it only does so much. But hydro
That
hen,
is so true.
it's getting hot.
It is. And you know what? Somebody else had asked me. You looking for it?
I am looking for it.
Somebody else had asked me why was I giving my chickens hydro-hen. Look, they know what that bag is. They know what that bag is. They said, give me some.
Y'all make sure y'all get them their probiotics, electrolytes.
Yes. It has all of the benefits that your chickens really need.
Was it acidifiers?
Yes.
Girl, I struggled with that one.
Man, Courtney.
All right, ladies. I'm putting it back down here with y'all. Just chill. Just
Yeah,
chill.
they
It's
like
just a
y'all
bag.
see that? They know what that bag is. I'm gonna get y'all some Don't you poop on me. Go on
And
now.
that's Mana Pro, right?
That is Mana Pro is the way
Okay.
to go.
Mana
Mana
the way to
Pro is the way to go. Y'all, I made up a song for them.
You funny.
Look at that. Got to market it. But let's get into this. Okay, so we just talked about hydro-hen and the benefits of hydro-hen and what we like about it. It's not too pricey. I want to say you can get the big bag of it for like $20. And I think the small bag is like 10. Don't hold me to it. But I think it's somewhere up in
And
there.
the thing is, you want to really make sure you got enough water for your ladies out here.
Yeah, you cannot have
I don't know. I don't know
all
what the right amount of waterers are for ladies. I want to say 8 birds per waterer is what I thought I read.
I think so.
But I say they need many as you could possibly get.
Yeah, our girls have a bunch. We have 2 right here, 1 in the little coop, and then we have 2 in the big coop.
We got 5 out here, and then we got 2 inside the house.
Yeah.
So we have a total of 7 waters. So hopefully, when the other girls get out here, we'll bring the other 2 out here as well.
Because we have baby chicks inside. We have some Bantams.
Feeders too. Make sure they always have food.
That's
food
true.
is another thing. Another way to keep them cool is wetting their food.
Yeah, so I have
Fermenting.
done videos on fermenting benefits. Y'all make sure you go check that out over on Kai the Farmer on IG, okay? And on, YouTube?
Yes.
And TikTok. I'm on
Yes,
YouTube,
Peaceful
TikTok,
Gardens.
and yeah. So y'all go check all those videos out. We do have videos about fermenting, and we have videos about different feed choices, different types of feeders, the benefits of different
Grubs.
grains. Grubs are expensive.
Grubs. We talk
Yeah.
about grubs on there as well.
We do. We do a price
now-
on grubs on there.
I should have made a video on the thing I made to harvest the grubs. Like a little bile catcher. But man, that thing failed. I guess I would have made a fail video too, man. I didn't put the top down good, and we had a couple good rain days, and that thing got rained out and started collecting mold, and I was like, ugh.
Yeah,
ugh.
yeah. I think.
Like,
Ooh,
we going back to buying grubs.
I think that was.
I thought I wanted to raise my own.
You did. You did say it at one point.
thighs,
You wanted
thighs,
to.
thighs, girl.
Listen here, my bun cheese got stuck on the back of the chair, but that's not the point.
It's good.
But yeah, you did try to do that. It was almost successful till that
Almost.
storm came. we had a bad tornado storm here in Arkansas, and it just tore up a
The tornado
lot
came
of
through,
stuff.
and yeah, it didn't get us, but it did mess up my biopods.
Yeah, it
So
did.
I ain't going back and trying to do them again.
think
I
you
most
should redo
definitely.
it.
You think I should
If
try?
y'all have tried biopods, let us know in the comments, because I know Roman got his idea from another gentleman
Yeah, on that
that
TikTok.
did his. Yeah,
I was looking at that TikTok and I saw a video and I was like, I was like, I need that. I need that. I was like, it's necessary.
We're going to talk about this food for these baby chicks, because I've had people message me and ask me, what type of foods do I prefer to feed out my baby chicks? And it just depends, because right now they're on a grow, well, I guess you call it chick grow feed, I guess.
It's a mixture.
Yeah, because they get their scratch. I do add extra stuff to it. Like they get their scratch and grains.
At the moment, what we have mixed right now, I can tell you, in this particular batch, we have crushed pellets.
No, not this. I'm not talking about this one.
Well, I'm just saying what we mixed recently is
Yeah.
crushed pellets, regular pellets. We have our 5 grain, right? And then we mix the mealworms and with the oyster.
Mm-hmm.
What were you going to say?
Well, the brand that I use for the baby chicks for the grower start feed is Doomer. And it has probiotics in it too. And I like giving that to the baby chicks because it has so many benefits for them. You know, you want to make sure your chickens are healthy. So why not help them out a little bit and buy something that already has the nutrients in it and the grains that they need.
And those are
So that's what I do.
those are the crushed pellets. Now, going to talk about the whole pellets.
Layer feed isn't for baby chicks. Layer feed is exactly what it says. Layer feed. It's for laying hens. So I only give laying feed most of the time to my laying hens. But now that my teenagers are outside, they're getting layer feed with, it's crumble. It's layer feed and crumble.
Yeah, that's what it says, mixed.
And I do that, scratch, and then...
Talk about the scratch.
Well, the scratch is from Tractor Supply. Okay? I get a 50-pound bag. That's usually about $14.
It's the producer's pride,
yeah.
right?
It's Producer's Pride by Tractor Supply.
Yeah.
It's one of their own personal brands.
Now, I know we mix whole pellets in with this batch were provided by Flock Party.
Yes.
And they seem to, the
Yes.
birds seem to really enjoy those. That's what we have out here now.
Yes. So this time around, my laying hens, we got sponsorship. Shout out to Tractor Supply Flock Party. Love you guys. Mean it. They also sent me that Mana Pro hydro-hen. And this is my second year using this. But they actually sent it to us this year. And I was so grateful for that. But, yeah. So this time they are on Flock Party layer egg maker pellets. And they like it. We just ran out of the egg maker pellet. So we're gonna try a different brand the next time go around. But if we don't like the next brand, we're gonna go back to
Girl, I was
Flock
over here
Party.
struggling with my cap. I put my cap down on here, and I was like, oh, dang it. The birds was jumped up here, and I was like, do I put it back on my bottle?
I wouldn't.
Then I flipped it upside down, and I was like, oh, that's the side I had on there. I was like, I already did it. I was like, oh. And I
You
rubbed it,
nasty.
and I was looking at y'all struggling. I know they said me struggling while you was talking.
Stinking nasty. Look, welcome to Peaceful Gardens, okay? It's not always peaceful.
Maybe you can see all the babies over there piled up behind the camera.
Oh, did I bring my phone? Oh, y'all just dusted everywhere.
Yeah, it's everywhere. That's why I said it's on everything, all right? It's already on that.
Y'all, yeah, that's why I didn't open my water.
I've been getting all their particles.
Yeah, I think I swallowed some. That's how I knew.
I'm done.
Thank God it's food degradable, okay? That's all I'm going to say.
So let's talk about the oyster shell.
Oyster shell is used for calcium for your chickens. That is what helps create that beautiful shell, because if you don't give them calcium, you're going to not have a hard shell
Now I hear there's
egg.
other stuff that people use, such as
Granite.
Granite.
It's another type of shell that a lot of people use. It's a bunch out there. You just have to really do your research and find different ones that your girls like. I know for me, I tried 3 different ones from Tractor Supply, and I know grit was one of them. They didn't care for the grit. The second one was oyster shell, and that seemed like that was their biggest one. Hey, Lola. And the third one was granite. They didn't like the granite. So I stuck with oyster shell, and that's what they get every day.
And it's been fairly convenient. It's right there at Tractor Supply.
Yeah,
I
it
want to say
is.
it's provided by
Mana
Pro.
Pro is the way to go.
again. And we didn't notice that until after. It's like we had
No, I
already been
didn't.
buying it. And
Yeah.
It's like, oh, it's a Mana Pro product. No one
Y'all
knew I would
know,
like it.
no playing, but all of my stuff that I've purchased for my chickens without sponsorship is Flock Party and Tractor Supply or Mana Pro. And it's only because those are the things that I researched myself on. I've been trying to find other items like barley and stuff like that. Mana Pro, if you got barley.
We tried
Let me
some of
know.
that feed at Walmart. We're like,
Yeah, no. A lot of people kept telling me to try it, and I tried it only because I was told, my girls would like it, but they didn't like it. I think we ended up getting like 8 eggs. Like we were getting like 8 eggs a day, and I was like, something ain't right.
in our production now, we have about 22 laying hens.
Yeah.
And we average anywhere from 10 to 14 on an
A day,
average day.
yeah.
On a good day, we'll see 18.
Mm-hmm.
Our highest peak, I want to say, is 22.
Yeah. And that's when everybody just deciding, oh, y'all, let's go lay some eggs.
But that's not too often. That's
it's
most
not.
definitely not too often. Our average is 8 to 14 if
Yeah.
they're not pecked. Now,
Georgia.
I haven't figured out a solution for pecking, like other than doing like the rolling, like how they do the rolling bins. Now,
Yeah.
hold on. If
I
y'all
wouldn't
have
mind trying those.
any suggestions outside the rolling bins of things that may have worked for you on how you're keeping your birds from pecking, let me know in the comments.
Yeah, because, I think they're going to pick them either way. Well, no. If they roll away, they can't pick
No,
them. They just going to
that's
roll
why I've seen
as
the
soon as they
rolling
drop
ones. I've seen the people use the rolling bins to keep them clean, but also keep
Yeah.
them from getting pecked.
Yeah. I think our picker is Georgia and Molly. I know it's those two.
We have an older bird in here. She's about 4 or 5 years old, and little lady's named Georgia.
Yes.
And she just stays in the nesting box. That's pretty much where she lives. But she also gets bullied by all the bigger birds. So I don't know if she just stays in there to hide or what it is. But she has a friend now, Pearl. She's around here somewhere.
Pearl behind the door. You said her name. She hid.
She's around here somewhere. She normally looks out for her. They're usually walking together in the nesting box. For a moment they were in the nesting box 3 weeks together.
They were.
We had to start just locking them outside of here and letting them roam around the garden.
Yeah.
That seemed to work really good the other day for them.
It
when we let
did.
them roam out around
Well,
the garden.
they have been co-parenting some of our baby chicks. I ended up with a Cornish cross. Her other siblings didn't make it. I think they just grow so fast. They grow too fast. And so, Lord behold, Cece made it. I think it's because we were holding her so much and always loving her.
Yeah, I realized you stuck her out there with her little friend.
Mm-hmm. Our little broiler chicken is spoiled, okay, y'all?
What's her little friend?
Tell me the little smoky pearl?
So our Cece, which is the Cornish
Cross.
crossing, that's what we call her Cece. She made a little friend, which is a smoky pearl. It's a small smoky pearl here. She was getting bullied. And one night we seen that they were just lingering together and staying together, and so we just been keeping them together. And now
they're best friends.
right now they're out and they're together.
And you know what? I'm not gonna even cluck you. They were supposed to be part of my giveaway, and I hadn't even done my dang giveaway. I gotta still announce the winner.
But we
So,
did figure out a solution, and we do got
Yes.
a bird on the way.
Yes. So you still have a chance to enter to win. I will announce the winner on June 4th. June 4th, I'll be announcing the winner for the baby chicks. And the process this time, we're gonna be just shipping the baby chicks to you. Straight from the hatchery if we can. So I figured that'd be a lot easier.
You know, it'd be cool if we had an option,
What would that be?
like 1, 2, 3, one of the 3 different breeds the winner could pick.
Ooh.
Because since it's coming straight from the hatchery,
Do y'all
either way.
want to do that?
Since it's coming straight from the hatchery, either anyway,
Okay, you gonna have to clip this part out for me so I can put this on my Instagram
Look
so
at you.
people can.
Look how God work, girl.
I mean, that's a good idea. I did not think about that, babe. Until, half idea. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Teamwork make that dream work every day over here.
I'm done.
Look, y'all go get you one. But I think that's what we're going to do as far as getting the baby chicks to our winner. Now, you do have to be responsible and pick them up at the post office, okay? They will not bring them to you. I know you didn't, Lola. They will not bring them to you, so you have to pick them up. But I think that's everything for today, y'all. Because we got some little happy hint. Lola, what you want? Y'all, she's so spoiled. This
She's
my
sweet
baby.
too. I'm gonna tell you
This
one
my
thing.
baby.
These ladies are sweet. I don't call them chickens. I call them my birds because that's
Call
what
them
they
my
are.
girls.
They are the ladies in the backyard.
You my baby.
We used to let them roam the backyard until they're eating all the grass and started jumping our fence to get to the neighbor's yard after all our grass was gone. I'm finally getting some grass, y'all. It's coming back. I'm so happy. I'm getting some grass.
Yeah, the grass
It's
that
coming
grass
back.
seed helped out a lot.
Yeah.
We're getting grass in areas we didn't have grass at all.
We
Period.
didn't put no seed back there. I don't even know why
No.
I got back there, but
but
it's
hey,
working.
I'm grateful.
It's working
Look,
out. Ain't
knock
that
on
good?
wood. Keep going.
I'm done.
Keep on going. Keep on trucking. Hey, y'all make sure y'all have a clucking good week. Okay? Don't let nobody ruffle your feathers. Keep on the straight and narrow. And yeah, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Oh,
Yep.
and TikTok. So, you want to sign us out?
If y'all got any suggestions for us to try or any topics for us to talk about, you know what to do. Put in the comments. Find us on Instagram. DM us.
Yeah.
I'm always down for a conversation when it's about chickens or filming.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. If you want to do chicken content and you don't know what to do, inboxes, we are here to help. Till next time, you guys. See you later, chicken lovers.
We're going to holler at y'all.
Later.